The Varanus Island Hub, operational since 1986, is central to Santos's Western Australian energy portfolio, processing gas, oil and condensate from offshore platforms, including the Campbell platform, which was in operation for 13 years. McDermott engaged Liberty Industrial for the complex task of deconstruction and waste recycling management of the platform. The scope of work included the receival of the 3 structures via barge, coordination of the roll-on, roll-off procedure, and the subsequent deconstruction and hazardous material and waste recycling management in the nearby yard, as the complexity of decommissioning works required offshore assets to be brought onshore for deconstruction. 6 months of meticulous planning and collaboration between Liberty Industrial, McDermott, AMC Port, and multiple subcontractors took place to ensure a seamless execution. Liberty Industrial developed a centre of excellence with these stakeholders to successfully navigate the logistical challenges of operating in a busy port. On the 10th of April, work finally began with the platform arriving in 3 unique structures after being transported 680 nautical miles by barge from Campbell Field near Varanus Island to the AMC port in Henderson, Western Australia. Once off the barge and on shore, the structures needed to be transferred to the already established Liberty Industrial decommissioning yard within the boundaries of the common user facility. Transporting the platform sections was orchestrated utilising self-propelled modular transporters. In a controlled and calculated rolling of the structures, all 3 of the topside and jacket structures were safely transported to the nearby deconstruction location in a controlled and calculated manner. The unique geometry of each structure warranted its own bespoke transportation and handling plan to mitigate safety risks during the roll-on, roll-off procedure, ensuring the safe and efficient transfer of each structure. This was the first roll-on, roll-off procedure of an oil and gas platform for decommissioning at this facility, and also a first in the Australian region, which was completed in 5 days, and with 2 of the structures moved within a single day. With the jacket and topside safely relocated to Liberty Industrial's decommissioning yard before being processed for recycling, work began on systematically deconstructing the structures. Liberty Industrial then deployed its fleet of equipment, including a 38-ton excavator with grab, bucket and shear attachments, as well as multiple support vehicles. The breaking down of the unique shaped jackets was performed via induced collapse.
Keep going, a little bit more back, keep going, here it comes. Work, Taz, nice work. Just hang there, Ash, wait for the dust to settle, mate.
Utilising a combination of excavators and hot works being conducted from an EWP. The material from these jackets were then downsized and moved to the processing area for segregating and processing. In the end, over 920 tonnes of recyclable materials were processed, achieving an impressive 99.5% recycling rate. The project's heavy focus on recycling saw a significant contribution to environmental sustainability and resource conservation. Liberty Industrial was able to take on challenges such as delays due to cyclones off the coast and port location changes by implementing proactive risk mitigation strategies to minimise project delays and cost overruns. This type of decommissioning, the first of its kind at an Australian port, highlights the complexity of the project. After 6 months of planning and 57 days to complete the operation, the Campbell platform decommissioning project was completed on time with no lost time incidents and with exceptional stakeholder satisfaction, thanks to the team at Liberty Industrial.